The question number 4 is, a point is moving on the parabola at y is equals to 2x squared minus 6x plus find the point on this curve where the ordinate is changing twice as fast as the abscissa. The derivative of the parabola is y prime is equals to 4x minus 6. The rate change of ordinate with respect to abscissa is dy over dx is equals to 4x minus 6. Given that dy over dx is equals to 2 dx over dt. Solve for x minus 6 is equals to 2 dx over dt to get dx over dt is equals to 2. At x is equals to 2, the point on the curve where ordinate changes twice as fast as the abscissa is 2, 1.